What if one of the most reliable ways to build wealth isn't a secret, but something millions of people still ignore? House with garden money bag. Real estate has created more millionaires in the US than almost any other asset class. Show luxury homes, rising property values, stacks of cash. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight. But real estate offers a powerful way to grow income, increase assets, and create long-term financial security. In this video, learn how to build wealth with real estate, step by step. From buying your first property to generating passive income, everything will be broken down in a simple way. Stay until the end to discover strategies that can turn a single property into a wealth-building machine. Show text, Real Estate Wealth Strategy. Section 1. Why real estate builds wealth. Real estate creates wealth in multiple ways at the same time. Show for icons appearing. Property appreciation. Rental income. Tax advantages. Loan paydown. While one income stream grows, others work in the background. Show house value increasing plus cash flow coming in. That's what makes real estate powerful. Section 2. Start with the right property. Not every property is a good investment. Show bad versus good property comparison. Look for growing locations, high rental demand, affordable purchase price. For example, a $200,000 property renting for $1,800 per month can generate steady cash flow. Show numbers calculation animation. Buying smart is the foundation of wealth. Section 3. Use leverage to your advantage. Real estate allows using borrowed money to invest. Show small down payment unlocking big house. Instead of paying full price, investors can put down 10 to 20% and control a larger asset. If the property increases in value, the gain is based on the full property price, not just the investment. Show value rising from $200,000 to $250,000. This is called leverage, and it accelerates wealth growth. Section 4. Generate monthly cash flow. Rental income is the key to consistent earnings. Show rent payments flowing into account. Example. Rent, $1,800 per month. Expenses, $1,200 per month. Profit, $600 per month. That's passive income every month. Show money stacking up over time. Multiple properties multiply this income. Section 5. Property appreciation. Over time, property values tend to increase. Show house price graph rising. Even a 3 to 5% annual increase can create large gains over years. For example, a $200,000 property growing at 5% annually can reach over $325,000 in 10 years. Show long-term growth chart. That's wealth created without selling anything. Section 6. Tax benefits. Real estate offers unique tax advantages. Show tax deductions icons. Investors can deduct mortgage interest, property taxes, maintenance costs. Depreciation can also reduce taxable income. This means keeping more of the money earned. Section 7. Scale with multiple properties. Wealth grows faster with more properties. Show one house turning into multiple houses. Many investors follow this path. One property to 5-10 plus. Each property adds income and value. Show income multiplying. Scaling is how small investments turn into large portfolios. Section 8. Long-term strategy. Real estate is not a quick win. Show timeline from year 1 to year 10. The real power comes from holding properties long-term, letting value grow, reinvesting profits. Time plus consistency equals wealth. Bonus tips. Tip 1. Start small. Even one property can begin the journey. Tip 2. Focus on cash flow first. Positive income keeps investments sustainable. Show green cash flow icon. Tip 3. Avoid overleveraging. Too much debt can increase risk. Show warning symbol. Tip 4. Research the market. Location can make or break an investment. Show map with highlighted areas. Real estate is not just about buying property. It's about building a system that creates income, grows in value, and works over time. Show house turning into money flow. Because in the long run, the goal is simple. Turn assets into consistent income and long-term wealth. And once this system is understood, real estate starts to look less like a purchase, and more like a wealth engine. Show house transforming into a machine producing money. Because every property can do multiple things at once. It can generate monthly income, increase in value, and build equity over time. Let's break down one powerful concept: equity growth. Show house with ownership percentage increasing. Every mortgage payment reduces the loan balance. At the same time, the property value may rise. This creates equity, the difference between what is owned and what is owed. For example, property value, $250,000. Loan remaining, $180,000. Equity, $70,000. That's real wealth building in the background. Now combine that with cash flow. Show dual streams, equity plus monthly income. One side grows slowly over time. The other pays every single month. This combination is what makes real estate unique. Another powerful strategy is refinancing. Show property unlocking cash. As property value increases, investors can refinance and pull out equity. That money can be used to buy another property, upgrade existing assets, increase income streams. This creates a cycle. Buy increase value, refinance, buy again. Show loop animation. Then comes diversification. Show different property types. Wealthy investors don't rely on one type of property. They spread across single-family homes, apartments, short-term rentals, commercial properties. This reduces risk and increases stability. There's also something called forced appreciation. Show renovation before versus after. Unlike stocks, real estate can be improved. Simple upgrades like renovations, better management, increased rent can raise the property's value significantly. That means more equity and more income. Another key factor is inflation advantage. Show inflation rising but rent increasing too. As inflation increases, property values often rise. Rent prices increase. But fixed mortgage payments stay the same. This means income grows while costs stay stable. And finally, the biggest advantage: time in the market. Show clock moving fast with property value rising. The longer a property is held, the more it benefits from appreciation. Rent increases. Loan paydown. Time turns average investments into powerful wealth assets. So while some people wait for the perfect time, others start small and build step by step. Show small house growing into large portfolio. And over years, that difference becomes massive. Because real estate is not about timing the market. It's about time in the market, and in the end, building wealth with real estate comes down to one simple idea. It's not about owning the most properties. It's about owning the right assets that grow over time. Show clean portfolio of properties increasing in value. Real estate rewards patience. It rewards consistency. And most importantly, it rewards action. Because the biggest mistake most people make is waiting too long to start. Show clock ticking, opportunity fading versus action taken. Every successful real estate portfolio starts the same way. With one decision. One property. One step forward. Show first small house appearing, then expanding into multiple. From there, growth becomes a process. Income increases. Equity builds. Opportunities multiply. Over time, what once looked like a simple investment turns into a system that produces monthly cash flow, long-term appreciation, financial security. Show multiple income streams flowing. And that's the real goal. Not just making money, but creating assets that continue to work in the background, even when no active effort is being made. So the real question is not, is real estate a good investment? The real question is, when will the first step be taken? Show final text, start small. Stay consistent. Build wealth. Because in the long run, the difference between those who build wealth and those who don't is simply this: some start, and some wait.